8 signs that your heart has a problem. The heart is the center of our being and plays a vital role in our relationships and everyday life. It is a symbol of love and emotion, and it is often associated with feelings of happiness, joy, and connection. Whether we are interacting with our loved ones, engaging in physical activity, or simply going about our daily routines, the health of our hearts is essential to our overall well-being and happiness. However, sometimes life does not always maintain this situation. There are instances our heart condition undergoes some health challenges which impede us from enjoying every single moment and happiness of life with our loved ones, which is very sad when we find ourselves in such situation of having a poor or unhealthy heart condition. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 8 signs that may indicate that you have a heart problem, so make sure to stay tuned till the end because we'll also share some healthy habits to help you maintain a good and healthy heart condition. The heart is a muscular organ that is located in our chest and is responsible for pumping blood and oxygen to every cell in the body. Heart problems, also known as cardiovascular diseases, are a group of conditions that affect the heart and the blood vessels in the body. These conditions can range from mild to severe and can include issues such as high blood pressure, coronary artery disease, heart attack, heart failure, and arrhythmias. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, unhealthy lifestyle habits such as smoking, poor diet, lack of exercise, and certain medical conditions like diabetes and high cholesterol, which can have serious consequences with a higher probability of death on an individual's health. And so, it is very important to always see this coming in order for you to take every necessary action to put your health situation at first. So, with that said, let us take a look at the various signs of heart problems to help raise your awareness about your heart condition and help you stay healthy all of the time. Number 1, heart problems may come along with signs like heart palpitations. First, what is heart palpitation? Heart palpitations are feelings of the heart racing or fluttering. They can make your heart skip a beat, pound, or beat too hard or fast, which sometimes can be brief or last for an extended period of time. They can happen infrequently or frequently, and they can be triggered by a variety of factors such as stress, certain medications, anxiety, and excessive intake of caffeine or tobacco, especially those with underlying heart conditions. In some cases, conditions like arrhythmia, a heart problem that affects the rhythm of the heart and causes the heart to beat too fast, too slow, or irregularly, can also cause heart palpitations, which can be a sign of poor heart-related health conditions. Number 2, you may also exhibit signs of shortness of breath. Shortness of breath, also known as dyspnea, is a feeling of difficulty or discomfort during breathing. It may feel as if you are struggling to take a deep breath or as if you are gasping for air. It can be mild to severe, and it is often accompanied by other symptoms such as chest tightness and a rapid or irregular heartbeat. You may feel as if you are unable to fully exhale, while others may feel out of breath after only a short period of physical activity, or that they are constantly short of breath. Other health conditions like allergies, asthma, and lung conditions can also result in shortness of breath. However, besides these conditions, a heart problem is also one of the factors that cause shortness of breath in a person. Heart problems such as heart failure and heart attack can exhibit signs of shortness of breath, and this is because the heart is responsible for pumping oxygenated blood to the body's tissues, and any problem with heart function can affect its ability to pump oxygenated blood efficiently to the lungs, which can build up fluid in the lungs and lead to shortness of breath. Also, one may experience dizziness or a light headache. Sometimes we may feel disoriented or unstable with a sense of disturbance in our balance, as if our surroundings are spinning or moving, which is a perfect sign of dizziness. Sometimes, we usually take these as normal, which shouldn't be the case since it could be a sign of a serious health condition that may be related to your heart. Although it is not always the case, dizziness can be a sign of a heart problem, but in some cases, dizziness can be caused by decreased blood flow to the brain, which can be caused by a heart problem such as an irregular heartbeat, heart valve problems, or coronary artery disease. When the heart isn't pumping efficiently, it may be unable to supply enough oxygen-rich blood to the body, including the brain. This can result in dizziness as well as other symptoms like lightheadedness and even fainting. Sign number 4, swelling in the lower extremities. Swelling in the lower extremities, which includes the feet, ankle, and leg, can also be a sign that your heart may be affected by some health problem. The swelling causes tenderness or pain, redness, changes in skin color and texture around the affected area, and makes it difficult to move the affected limb. Since swelling in the extremities can be caused by fluid accumulation in the body's tissue, when the heart is not functioning properly, it may be unable to effectively pump blood, resulting in fluid buildup in the tissues. Swelling in the lower extremities, particularly the ankles, feet, and legs, can result from this fluid accumulation, though there are other health factors like kidney diseases and liver diseases that can also cause this to happen. Also, a poor health condition of the heart can cause fatigue. Fatigue simply is a feeling of tiredness or lack of energy that can be physical, mental, or both. When it comes to mental fatigue, there is the feeling of lack of energy that is caused by mental stress. It occurs as a result of prolonged periods of concentration, problem-solving, or decision-making, and can be accompanied by difficulty focusing, forgetfulness, or difficulty making decisions. With physical fatigue, you feel very tired, and it is commonly caused by physical hard work, which may be a result of overexertion or overexercise, which then leads to muscle weakness or soreness. This type of tiredness is generally regarded as normal because it is a natural response by nature. Yes, we do get tired after hard work at any time, and it is usually temporary. However, persistent tiredness that cannot be relieved by rest or sleep may indicate an underlying medical condition that may be related to your heart. This is because having a heart problem makes it difficult for blood to be transported to the various body tissues and provide them with the oxygen and nutrients they require to function properly. As such, body weakness occurs and makes us feel tired always. Now, keep in mind that most of the signs given in this video are very common in our daily lives, and some of them may also relate to other health challenges other than heart problems, so I would advise that you see your healthcare professional for any medical attention and treatment if you experience any of these signs, or even a regular health checkup will help. With that said, remember to support our channel by tapping on the subscribe red button and turn on the notification bell to always get notified on our health videos. Moving on, one may also exhibit chest pains when there is a problem with the heart. Since the heart is located around the chest area, it is no surprise that any problem with the heart will cause pains around that area. The pains feel like a tight, crushing, or stabbing sensation in the chest. They can be mild to severe and can occur suddenly or gradually. You may describe the pains as the feeling of pressure or heaviness in the chest, and the location of the pains varies, which may appear to radiate to other parts of the body such as the neck, arms, or back. Heart problems such as heart attacks and coronary artery diseases are known to be among the causes of this. Conditions like coronary artery disease, in which the arteries that supply blood to the heart narrow and reduce the flow of oxygen-rich blood to the heart muscles, can cause chest pains, also known as angina, and other symptoms such as nausea. You should remember that chest pains can also be caused by other factors like gastrointestinal problems and muscle strain. Number 7. Cold sweats. This is a kind of sweat that occurs unexpectedly or without any physical activity. It can be a sign of a poor heart condition because it can be caused by a drop in blood pressure, which can be a result of heart failure or heart attack. When the heart is not functioning properly, it may not be able to pump enough blood to the rest of the body, leading to low blood pressure, and symptoms such as cold sweat may occur. It is important to always be aware that cold sweat together with other symptoms such as difficulty breathing, chest pains, and even fainting may indicate a sign of a serious heart problem. 8. A poor heart condition can also result in difficulty sleeping. Sleep problems can be extremely frustrating and overwhelming, which sometimes results in physical symptoms such as fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. Difficulty sleeping can be a sign of a heart problem because most of the symptoms like chest pain, shortness of breath, and rapid or irregular heartbeat can disrupt sleep. Furthermore, certain heart conditions, such as sleep apnea and heart failure, can cause difficulty sleeping as a primary symptom. Sleep apnea occurs when a person's breathing is repeatedly interrupted while sleeping. This can result in loud snoring, choking, or gasping for air, and frequent nighttime awakenings. Obesity, smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption, which are known to be linked to an increased risk of heart problems, can all contribute to sleep apnea. We now know what it means when we experience certain signs in our bodies. All we need to do is consult our doctor whenever we experience these signs. So, as we promised, Let us look at some habits that can benefit our heart and keep it healthy all the time. First, always remember to exercise on a regular basis. Exercise benefits your heart health in a variety of ways. It aids in the improvement of cardiovascular fitness, which is the ability of the heart and blood vessels to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the cells of the body. Regular exercise makes your heart more efficient at pumping blood and your blood vessels more flexible, which helps to lower blood pressure and lowers your risk of heart disease. It also helps to improve cholesterol levels by increasing good cholesterol and decreasing bad cholesterol, which can aid in the reduction of plaque buildup in the arteries that increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. Also, you should quit smoking. Smoking harms the heart and blood vessels, which increases the likelihood of a heart attack or stroke. Quitting it can lower your risk of heart disease and improve your overall health. Secondly, you should always get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is so much essential and very good for our overall health, including the heart. Not getting enough sleep could in turn be a harm to one's health because sleep deprivation has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, hypertension, and other health issues. You should all time get enough rest, whether through sleep or even meditation, in order to help reduce stress and improve your overall health. Thanks for watching. That concludes this video, but hey, remember to click the subscribe button to support this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Also, if you found this helpful, make sure to smash the like button. We say, good health, your most wealth ever.